Welcome to Brenda Sparkins. On today's video, we have some exciting news. We have confirmation on Dollar General, new markdowns starting today at Dollar General. This is exciting. Probably tomorrow there's going to be even more goodies. I'm telling you, Dollar General's on fire. We have lots of good deals going on at Dollar General. So we have lots of laundry that has just turned at Dollar General, and it's going to be on the clearance event. And don't forget, there's coupons. Just remember, if you use and click a coupon and you check it out and you type in your phone number and you put it in as you check out, it's gone from your account. You have to have another account, another phone number, or another account to use another coupon. So once it's gone, it's gone. Just want to give you a friendly reminder on that. But awesome, I'm telling you, lots of goodies at Dollar General. So exciting, so exciting. Lots of goodies that just turned. Now, some of these items, we're going to keep our eye out because they did not turn yet. But maybe they will turn tomorrow. So I did not put all the ones that are going to turn in maybe tomorrow. We'll have to stay tuned for that. But we do have lots of goodies that did turn, which is laundry soap and other items. And I'm telling you, there's some bonuses. You got to keep watching because I'm going to show you some more items that are turning Dollar General. It's so exciting. And I probably even missed some. So you never know. I might have missed some items that did turn this morning because I was just looking at the Dollar General app and I kept finding goodies. So awesome. I'm going to share with you a little video here in a second. So we're going to have to keep our eye out on certain items and watch them and see if they turn. Some items did, some items didn't. It's going to be definitely scanned away in the clearance section in your stores. And it's going to vary from store to store. So just keep in mind, some stores will have more, some stores will have less. And we're just going to have to be vigilant and keep our eye out on some of these. So I did want to let you know that I did include a list in this video. It's in this video, so stay tuned for that. And also, we have lots of other visuals in this video. Some of them I had to pull out because one, the video was getting too long, and two, it did not turn. So I didn't want to confuse you and put too many pictures in there that didn't turn and all that. So, but we do have a list, and then you can just definitely check out the list, and that will of course help you out. The list is a little long, so be warned about that. Lots of goodies. I'm telling you, so exciting at Dollar General. Lots of goodies that I have turned. Some of these are old. I have put it in prior videos because, like I said, some of my stores are ahead, and that's what I'm giving you. I'm just giving you the heads up. And so even if they don't turn on this clearance event, they'll turn on another clearance event. And so sometimes I'm just a little ahead of the game. But I'm so happy. A lot of these goodies are turning, and we have lots of surprises at Dollar General. Lots of goodies. And I had to pull some of my visuals out just because the video was getting a little too long. And I don't have a lot of time to edit. I wanted to edit this more, but I have to work tomorrow and I need to go to sleep. So I hope this video helps you out. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know how you're doing. Are you excited? Today is going to be a run deal at Dollar General. Don't go overboard. Please don't go overboard. Stay in your budget if you can. But this is fun because we have more laundry deals that are turning at Dollar General, plus candy, plus some other goodies. It's just fun. We have lots of new goodies. And if you want to, you can always wait till these pennies out. It will probably take a couple months, but then they do eventually penny out, I'm telling you. And it's exciting. So don't go crazy. Just get what you like to get what you need for your household, and have fun, y'all. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun in a couple days. All right. I'm just going to let these scroll through. And guess what? We got new items that are turning. It's just so cool because those watches weren't turning and now they are. So, yay, they are included. And so lots of food items returning. So it's so exciting. Okay, I'm gonna let this video play. All right. Type in laundry on your Dollar General app. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to filters right here and you're going to click sort and you're going to go low to high. And then as you can see what's available on the clearance event and all of these new items that are turning, which is amazing because look, we have new dryer sheets that are on sale on the clearance event. We have lots of laundry soap that has turned. So awesome. We have more extras coming at Dollar General. This is exciting. So here we have a snuggle, $1.50, another snuggle right there, laundry pods. Some of these are old and some of these are new. Those two are old. Example. But we have the new snuggle example. That's a new one. And then it's $1.67. And all you have to do is just change the store. Right there it says shipping at store. You just click on that. You can change your store and you can see which one's available in your area. And then you can go down and see if there's any coupons on these items. So what you just want to do is you just want to click on something and then scroll down and see if there's any coupons on these items or not. And that is what makes it so cool. So then you got some laundry soap and then you can just click down, see if there's any coupons on all of these items. So awesome. I'm telling you, some of them have coupons, and as you can see, like this one says $1 off, and then as you go down, see it's $2.47, and then it'll say $1.55 off. So awesome. I'm telling you, this is really cool because we have lots of goodies on these items. So some of these have coupons, and just remember, if you get any of these like Downy and there's different, or the stoppables or any of these items, once you use the coupon, you can only use them once. So they will not clip off unless you have multiple accounts. Okay, so keep that in mind if you're new to all these things. So this is what we like. So if you do buy one of these items and you clip the coupon and you put your phone number in when you check out, that coupon will disappear unless you have another account. So you have to have multiples, and then you got to make sure the coupon is clipped every single time before you check out. Okay, so I'm just going through that thoroughly, but look at all these new goodies. I'm telling you, nice. Some of these have extra coupons, so if you stock up, you can get even more, which is great. And so we have all these new items that are originally $6, $3.30, and then we have the coupons, which is so great. So awesome. This sale ends this Thursday, so just keep that in mind. And then also the next clearance event will be a couple months away, so we won't have another clearance event for a while, unless they surprise us and give us another one, which will be great if we can get another one. So look at this one. Look how many chances. So you can't assume it's just one. You have to click on different ones and double check, okay? Because just because one snuggle didn't show coupon, but then you go to another snuggle and then all of a sudden you see multiple coupons, make sure you add them like that example, and then it's added onto your account. So then you can earn 75 cents back on your wallet, and your wallet's on the very bottom right there. And then you can click on that and see if you have money on your account. It's just like a debit card. They just use that, and you can use your wallet too as cash. So pretty cool. So we have some snuggle ones, and they have some good coupons on them. And so You can do this on multiple items, not just laundry. You can do this on paper towels. You can do this on toilet paper. You can do this on candy. You can do this, I mean, just type in whatever you want to type in. And then you can see which ones are turning on those times. Now, it's going to change even tomorrow. It's not, let's go. Anyways, it's going to change tomorrow, and more items will be added, so that's really cool. Okay, so I didn't really want to push candy bars, but I was trying to push candy, but it happens. But look, see, more items that are turning. Look, there's another candy bar, but there is more candy. If I just went to candy, but it didn't go. Let me see if I can just do it that way. Because there's more candy items. But I'm telling you, you could do this on anything. And then you can just filter it low to high. And then you can start seeing what is turning on each of these items. See, look, see, there's more items that just turned. We even have the 7-Up. For the drinks, like it's kind of like a Kool-Aid. So awesome, I'm telling you, lots of goodies. And I just typed in the word candy. Yeah, and this might change even from today to from tomorrow, so they might even add more items. And so there's those candy ones right there. I'm telling you, so really cool. Like I said, you could do this on anything that you want, and then you could see, because you're just going to click on the picture, and then you're going to see what's available in your area. You just go to your store, and then you can see which stores it's in your area, for example. So that is really cool. Like, I just want to let you know you can do that on these items, and it's really cool. And then you can see what is turning at Dollar General. So there's more clearance stuff. I'm telling you, lots of hidden gems. I'm telling you, there's just tons of items. But there's an example of another item that just turned. So I'm telling you, Dollar General is listening, and it's really exciting that they're listening to us, because we tell them we like our laundry soap. We tell them we like our shampoos, conditioners, and things like that. We like our cosmetics, lots of goodies, and that's why we do this, so you can just see what's available in your area, your neck of the woods. Now, some of these are older ones on the shampoos, but like I said, you can see if there's anything available in your area, and then that way you don't need a UPC. You can just do this on the app. Now, a lot of things are not available. There's more hidden gems that even Dollar General doesn't post. That's why we try to create lists for you. That's why we try to go above and beyond for you. As YouTubers, we just try to do all this stuff for you, to help you out. And then, but like I said, you just go on these items, and then you just see if there's a coupon available on some of these items. And so that is really cool. So it usually tells you there's a coupon before you click. See, so right there it says detailed coupon, and then you can click on it, and then you can go down below. And then you can also see if it's available in your area. So it says low in stock. So this one might be available in my store and stuff like that. But it's just giving examples of what you can look for, especially when it's on the clearance event, items like that. So awesome. I just want to share how to use the app, just in case you're new to Dollar General and you want to know what is going on. These are $7 items. I think they were labeled $7 items in the store. Then they got the 10% off, which makes them $6.30. And then you get the 50% off in the store. And so then you get to see if there's a coupon. There's no coupon on this one. But those are just examples. I'm just trying to give you examples of what it's like And that's how you score at Dollar General, and you get all these coupons and things like that. No, I didn't mean to click on it, but my finger clicked on it. So that's all. All right, leave me a thumbs up. Let me know, are you excited about running out at Dollar General today, this morning? Lots of goodies, I'm telling you, so many. But don't, just a friendly reminder, not everything on this list is turning. Just mostly the laundry soaps, and there is some other items in there that are. And then I did include bonuses that are not on this list that are in this video. So definitely check it out at your stores. Have fun. Take care. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.